Welcome to another video, guys. Today I'll be showing you how you can edit any website in any way. Let's get started. So here I have Google. What you're going to want to do is open Inspect Element, and you're going to go to Console. And what you're going to type in is simply document, all right, dot design mode, like that, equals, quotation marks, on, and simply hit enter. And now we can close it, and now we can edit anything. So like offered, let's say Google is in French. Say instead of Canada, I want to go to Egypt, for example. How about store? Let's make it play. Anything on a website like that can be edited that easily. Let's take it to the next level. Let's go open Wikipedia. All right. Let's see any article. Let's see recent articles about Wikipedia or Wikipedia on Wikipedia. Didn't even know that existed. So same thing. Inspect, console, document, dot design, mode equals, on, enter. We can go ahead and close it, and we can enter live from bold, the free encyclopedia, the free internet. Something like that. You can edit it, but this will only be for you, fortunately. This can be used for really anything. It's a very powerful tool, to be honest. You can show anything, anywhere. And yeah, just a fun tool to play around with. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped and made you learn something new, interesting, fun. You can go around and play with it. I'll see you in the next one.